Good day everybody. Today we're looking at the Worth Crayfish Gloves. They conform to the EN 388 rating as well as the EN 420. It's a diamond coated rubber palms and fingers, and it's designed specifically when handling abrasive materials like bricks or something slippery like a wooden board. Ideal for any construction site, for general purpose use all around workshops, and it provides super grip. It's got a knitted cuff, and the coatings on the hands prevents your hands from nicks and bruises